Sets in Nature. Narrated by Marcio Catalano. Written by Julie Ellis. Photographs by Claire Watkins. Some children got some big shells and some round shells. They made a set of big, round shells. They got some oval leaves and some yellow leaves. They made a set of oval, yellow leaves. They found some little flowers and some red flowers. They made a set of little red flowers. They got some long grass and some brown grass. They made a set of long brown grass. They found some short sticks and some white sticks. They made a set of short white sticks. They got some flat stones and some black stones. They made a set of flat black stones. They found some pretty feathers and some blue feathers. They made a set of pretty blue feathers. They found some seeds. How will they make some sets of seeds? Glossary. Feather. Waterproof covering from the body of a bird. Flower. The bloom on a plant. Grass. A plant with lots of narrow leaves. Leaf. Part of a plant. Oval. A long rounded shape like an egg. Seed. Small hard part of a plant that grows into a new plant. Set. A group of things that go together. Shell. The hard outside part of sea animals. Stick. Thin branch. Stone. Small rock.